Welcome back everyone. In this chapter first we are going to discuss about what is a project. So what is a project? The definition that I am going to give you is pretty static and that definition comes from the PMBOK guide. Let's take a look what it is. A project is a temporary endeavor taken to create a unique product, service or result. Now let's break it down. Temporary. A project must be temporary. It cannot be something ongoing that never ends. A project must have a definite start date and an end date. For something to be considered as a project, it must have a specific start date, such as a project starting on July 1st and an end date such as finishing on 31st August. This defines a 2-month project. Or it could start on January 1st and end on December 31st, defining a 1-year-old project. Now we'll see the difference between operations and projects. Operations are ongoing and repetitive, such as sales, IT support, or accounting. These tasks never end as long as the organization exists. In contrast, projects are temporary with specific start date and end dates, producing unique outcomes. Another important part of this definition is that project always produces a unique product, service, or result. Now, what is a product? Projects often result in a tangible product. For example, a smartphone manufacturer like Samsung or Apple may have a project to produce the next version of their smartphone. A car manufacturer like Honda might undertake a project to produce a new car model. Service. Projects can also result in a service, which is often labor-intensive or intangible. For instance, an accounting firm must develop a new bookkeeping service for its clients. Now we will say what is the result. Some projects aim to achieve a specific outcome or result. For example, a research project must test a new drug's efficiency in curing a disease or a new method to solve a particular problem. Now let us discuss about the progressive elaboration. Progressive elaboration means that as a project progresses, details become more defined or precise. For example, if you want to build a house in Mumbai city, initially you might only need to know it will cost around 1 crore or take about 3 years to construct this building. Over the time, as you research and gather more information, you will know the specific neighborhood, the exact cost and precise duration. These estimates become more accurate as more details are known. Projects as part of larger entities. Projects can be part of larger program or portfolio. Now what is a program? A program is a group of related projects managed in coordination. A portfolio is a collection of projects and programs that are managed as a group to achieve strategic objectives. I'll cover the program and portfolios in detail in later. Now let us recap what is project. A project is temporary, it has a start and end date, produces a unique result. This can be a product, service or result. Progressively elaborated means details become more defined and precise over the time. Part of larger entities. Projects can be part of larger programs or portfolios. Understanding these basic concepts of a project will help you to grasp more complex project management concepts as we progress through the course.